It's Nalanie's vlog. If you didn't know that, you're already so get out of here. Subscribe.
Okay, tell us where we are.
For sure.
Titan Motorsports 11th Annual Open House. Down considerably.
Anything else?
That's it.
That's too much pressure. That's too much pressure for you to make it through those cones.
I know.
Oh, go need more.
You can just park straight up there.
Dude, sick. Thanks, man.
Hi everyone, it's Nalanie and welcome to another vlog. Today we are at Titan's Open House, so let's go look for some friends. We brought the Evo. Hello.
What's up?
Hi.
You can't bring these drifters nowhere, man.
I know, we're everywhere. How are you?
Good. What's up? Get us some.
Hi. Hello. Hello. Are you trying to film?
Hey.
Hey girl. How are you?
Good, how are you?
Good.
Makes 1,005 horsepower and 830 pound-feet of torque.
Oh, head hug. What's up, boy? What's up, dude? Chill.
This one's for everybody.
Oh, that's right. Yeah, I forgot about. I did the same thing. Check this out. You're gonna laugh.
It's Kyle.
Kyle.
Hello.
What's up?
You leaving?
Yeah, I'm just gonna get some.
Will I see you Spring Break Bash?
You said what?
Spring Break Bash?
That's spring break.
Yes.
Maybe.
Drift event
All right.
at
That
OSW.
was Christian. Oh, let's go.
Kevin.
All right,
Chris.
Chris.
Good, you guys.
Jersey.
Yep.
What's up, man? Hello.
Hello.
What's going on?
It's nice to see you. Blow it up.
Just edit that other one out.
Okay.
Fine.
No, I'm gonna put it in. We brought the Evo.
I know. The wheels are back.
Tommy, ask him why these wheels are on.
Yeah, he already told me. Other wheels are there.
Where's your dad? Hello. 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 Which one did you get? Coffee?
Yeah, they ran out of all the other good ones.
Is it delicious?
I mean, it's still pretty good, yeah. It's
Eat it.
non-dairy.
Eat it. Hello, friends.
How's it going?
Good. How are you?
Good.
Hello. Hello. Oh my God. Not about it. Hello. Hello. How are you? I'm like, what are we doing?
It's gonna be really
Yeah, coronavirus, you know?
I know, coronavirus.
Yeah.
Your hair is so cute. You're welcome. Hello. How are you?
How you doing?
I filmed you guys earlier and the camera wasn't recording. I was like, I suck. Hello. Hi. It's nice to see you. Yes. Drift friends. How are you?
Good, yourself?
Good, thanks. Hi.
I already know it's not that close to my face. I'm used to it now.
Hi. record?
Always.
Right, 881664.
How are you?
Good. Yeah.
Did you get a good picture?
Hello.
How are you? Hi.
Hi, how are you?
To do my car.
Hello.
Hey.
I've been looking for you.
I've been right here. Where have you been?
You're like in slow motion, so you're like.
Yeah, I kind of like that. That lighting you got there.
Enjoy your coffee and dessert. Thank you.
We'll be good.
All right, sounds good.
Thank you. Hello.
Did you get it?
Drink that with me. Goodbye.
Hi, y'all.
Drive safe. Yeah. I'll let you know about the Polar, and you let me know. Okay. Bye.
Oh my gosh, shake and bake.
That's right. You gotta.
Of course.
Bye, friends.
Car show was good. I liked it. Follow her. Like, comment, subscribe. All that goodies. All that good stuff.
Follow my friend too. Friends.
Tell me what happened.
Hey, do you want to do my intro for me?
Right now?
Yeah. And go.
I'm done. I'm done.
Have you heard about this hand hug trend that's going around?
Yeah, bitch, I started it. Let's go.
Nope.
Oh.
Interception.
Do you know my name?
Nalanie.
Oh, okay. Now you can do my intro since you know my name.
It's a Tina.
Oh,
No,
hey,
it's
Tina.
no.
That's his name.
You stop that. You shush.
No, you're Tina.
No, you shush.
You're always Tina for me. Yo, whose hair is this?
That's not mine,
That
it's brown.
might be mine.
Oh, I don't have anything to say anymore. That was it.
I know my one line and then I walk away.
Really?
I wave at people and people think I'm strange.
That'll teach you.
Very nice.
Thank you.
He's taking a long time. I'm gonna speed him up. I've been filming you this whole time. Hello.
Because I'm a busy person.
I see that. You're popular. You're too
Just a
cool.
little bit. Somebody likes me. Somebody likes me.
Are
But
you
today-
cheating on Marco?
Look at him. Look at what a beautiful, magnificent creature.
Hello. Have you been in front of the camera a lot today? I know he has.
I know I have.
Let's go home. Ready?
The outro ready.
You didn't do the outro when you were supposed to.
You look good, yo. Yo, follow me at Stxcks.
I'll link him.
Don't even bother. It's a waste of time. Don't go on my Instagram. It's all drift car shit.
He's just a drifter.
It sucks.
The fenders.
I might have hit some speed bumps sideways at like 40. I also hit a wall, and then I drove home. It's eventful.
Exactly. Shout out to Cosmo for not breaking wheels.
Alright guys, we're gonna end the vlog here. Yeah, I will see you guys in tomorrow's vlog, which is clean culture. Like, no, I'm not gonna say that. We're gonna do this part again. Alright guys, I'm gonna end the vlog here. The event's pretty much over. Tomorrow we have clean culture, so I'll have a whole vlog for that. And yeah, I'll see you tomorrow.